Okay, so this is the lemon cookie recipe. So this is a cup of flour. We have to, in total, put 2.5 cups. So 1 cup. I can count. 2 cups. And then our 1/2 cup of flour. That's a lot of flour. Okay. And then we add the, what is it? Baking powder. So we have to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Where's the teaspoon? Thank you. Hi, kitty. So we add a teaspoon of baking powder,
Teaspoon of salt,
and a teaspoon of salt. Let's see, salty boy. That's satisfying. Okay, what does it call for next? That's this.
That's
so you set this aside. I've already set the oven to 375 degrees. I've also been softening this butter. And then you should have 2 baking trays lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to add sugar with the butter. I'm going to have 2 cups of sugar. Oh boy. That's gonna be a lot easier. Where's this? Set this aside. 2 cups of sugar, eh, bud? Why so much sugar? 1 cup of sugar. 2 cups of sugar. Okay. So once you have that out of the way, then in this bowl you want to combine the butter and the sugar using an electric mixer. So I will do that now. And you want to mix it until the sugar is light and fluffy for about 3 minutes. And then you're going to want to add 2 eggs, 1 at a time, during this mixing process. But you do have to wait because it takes a while. We will now examine butter since it's molded. So for about 3 minutes you're going to be mixing this, and you're going to add 1 egg at a time. So I will do this now. Rule 1 of cooking, always wash your hands. Totally didn't forget. But you will have already put these cookies in your mouth before you see this video. Not my problem. Let me just adjust this. I have the greatest DIY setup of all time. So I've already added one egg. I'm sorry you cannot see, but well, it is quite hard to record like that. So here is the second check. Wait a minute. No. Why you gotta do that to me? Try to not get any shell in with it. Also, step one of cooking. Clearly, I'm the chef master, so you know, greatest thing ever. And then you want to combine it until it's light and fluffy. It's light and fluffy currently, but it still has to mix in the second egg. At this point, it's kind of looking like a dough. So once you've completely mixed it, take it off your machine. That was loud. It should look like this. So now we're going to add lemon zest, which is basically the shell of a lemon. So this is one lemon's worth of lemon zest. So you're going to incorporate this. And you're also going to add some ricotta cheese. So you're going to add this entire thing of cheese.
15 ounces.
15 total ounces of cheese. This is a lot of cheese. Oh, okay.
Ricotta cheese.
Ricotta. Got my trustworthy grandma here. Because I would literally catch my kitchen on fire if I didn't have her with me somehow. Would manage to do it. Let me just center this for you guys, so you can actually see. Hang on. There we go. Give me 1 second. There we go.